How to create USDT TRC20 wallet on MetaMask. So you want to create this wallet, you have to understand the difference between the networks. So the TRC20 network runs on the TRON blockchain, while the ERC20 networks run on the Ethereum blockchain. Let me put this into perspective. When you open up a platform like MetaMask, this is the MetaMask wallet, you're going to find that there are a couple of networks you can actually make use of, while in some cases there are networks you can't. If you were to simply click on the popular networks drop-down, you're going to see that the option to include the Tron, that is the TRX network, isn't here, but you have Ethereum, you have BNB, Polygon, Base, and some others. So what you're going to have to do as an alternative to this issue would be to simply use a compatible TRC20 wallet. And in that case, it's going to have to be a platform like the Trust Wallet, or you could download exclusive apps for your TRX like TronLink or Ledger. So I'm going to be making use of Trust Wallet in this video. So just go ahead and install it from your App Store, Google Play Store. And once it's here, just go ahead and add the network. In order to add the network, just click on the toggle here and then click on Manage Crypto. And then simply scroll till you find the TRX, which is the Tron network. Enable this and then use the search to search for USDT and then simply enable USDT on the TRX network. This is what it looks like here. Just, turn on the toggle and then you can easily, click on receive to share your wallet address or click on send to simply send out some USDT on the TRX network. Alright guys, that's how it's done.